What is up? What is good? What is going on? Knuckleheads and wet shave fans. Canuck Shaver here, coming at you with an unboxing, a special unboxing. This box was said to be from California, California or Arizona? Let me look here. I believe it was California. Yes, California. It was sent and it got to Canada in like 3 days. Amazing. It got stuck in Canada at our customs because it's terrible sometimes for like 2 weeks. So I've been eagerly awaiting this package. I'll show you the package itself. Nice size box, and of course I got hit with customs declaration stuff and extra charges, but that's not the fault of the sender. They just randomly pick people to charge. So anyways, let's get into this. This is actually a package from Phil over at Bullgoose. Super excited about this one. I do pretty much know what's in the box. There are a couple of soaps and creams. Not sure how many there are. I think 3 in total. And the piece de resistance, there is a brush in here, I'm pretty sure. It's what I'm thinking of. I am extremely excited about it. I am a brush whore through and through. Anybody that's watched my channel knows how much I love brushes. So I use my trusty scissors to cut it open. Again, I never look at my boxes ahead of time. Okay, so this is the receipt, bam. Let's get into it. Oh, I love that it's packed nicely, but now I've got to clean all this stuff because I just want to dump it out. Let's try to dump this stuff out nice and... Oh, what's this? Yeah, mints. Awesome, thank you. Cinnamon mints, perfect. Those, let's see here. Okay, alright, let's see here. I'm just going to take everything out, put it in front of me. Here. Tub, there we go. There's nothing else in amongst the popcorn. Alright, let's start it off. First thing we have here, let's go with this one. This is one I'm really super intrigued by. This is their Asylum Shaveworks shaving cream. This is the charcoal. It's actually gray and lathers up gray, from what I hear. Doesn't stain your brushes or anything like that. Oh. Really nice, kind of a sweet smell of some woods in there. Almost like a sweetness from like fruit or something like that. I believe the notes there is cedar and sandalwood in there. And maybe a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, really nice scent though. Nice and light. It says his creams and his soaps, they are mild scented in the tubs, but lathered up. The scent really comes out. Even the reviews I've read, same thing. Yeah, that's a really nice scent. Very cool. Nice and dark and black. Very cool, very cool. Excellent. Can't wait to try that. And these seem like a big tub. Yeah, 6 ounces. Really nice deep tubs, lots of room to generate your lather. Next is another one from the English collection. That was also from the English collection. Another one from the English collection, and this is the European Barbershop. I've always loved barbershop scents. Could I tell you what a barbershop scent is? It's hard to describe. They're all different, and that's the cool part. Again, it's a 6-ounce tub. Beautiful tubs, really nice. Not gray. White cream. Oh, that's like a classic bar. This is what I think when I think of barber. This has got some nice... Off the top, there's like pink pepper, I think. And definitely some citrus. Almost smells like a little bit of grapefruit in there. Some citrusy, like tartness. And there's definitely vetiver. You can smell some vetiver in there. Really nice. And some florals. I'm trying to think what florals are usually in barber shops. I think sometimes there's lavender, geranium, stuff like that. Don't know 100% for sure. You'd have to look it up. But there's also a base of woods in this. I think it is cedar wood, which is the base in this. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. That's beautiful. This is an easy one that you could use every day. Really nice scent on that one. That is the European Barbershop. Again, it says it's mild off the cream in the tub, but lathers up stronger. So that's going to be awesome, lathering up stronger. And that is the European Barbershop. Fantastic stuff. Really nice labels, really nice tubs. Really like that. Let's see here. And last, soap. This is actually a soap, this last one, and this is the Asylum Shaveworks Vetiver Bourbon. I love vetiver, I'll admit it, and this just sounds incredible. And this is a tallow shave soap. So yeah, I've read some reviews, apparently the lathers, and this is really awesome. Again, it said that the scents are mild off these pucks, but really explode. And I can already smell this. I don't think it's that mild, maybe a little bit mild. Citrus top notes for sure. Like orange or bergamot, something like that. Then you definitely get like the vetiver and some woods. Maybe a little sweetness from the bourbon in there. Really nice, I like that. It's a little bit more than just a plain vetiver. Sometimes some vetivers are just nice and grassy, not much to them. I like that, I don't mind that, but this is like a little bit more. Yeah, definitely some woods and some bergamot off the top. I think it's bergamot, maybe some orange. Really nice just to mix. What's good, I'm back. So what happened is I forgot to delete all the old stuff I got on my camera, so didn't have enough time left. So again, this is the vetiver bourbon. I went on about it. I actually ended up looking up what the notes are on this one. Bergamot and citrus off the top. Mid is ginger, and I think that's what I could spell in there. And the base is vetiver bourbon and cedar. So yeah, that's what it is. Excellent, very nice vetiver scent. So I don't know what I'm gonna use first. Who knows? And now the piece de resistance. Oh my god, I am so excited about this, guys. I have never owned like a high-end brush, like lots of artisan brushes, not saying they're not high-end, but any of the big names like Simpson, Rooney, THATER, Shave Mac, anything like that. Got a THATER. This is awesome, and I believe this is going to be a THATER, the premium bores. I like bore brushes. I haven't used them much lately because I've gotten so many synthetics, so I am really, really excited to try these out. You know, if I can open up the package. I don't want to wreck the box, so maybe I gotta go in this way. Ah. Take this out. Here it is. This is the THATER. Oh yeah. 4125 ivory handle with the natural boar bristle knot, 26mm knot, the 60mm loft, and look at this. Look at the bottom. Even the coin on the bottom is just like, looks amazing. THATER since 1913. Woo! Excellent. This has got a nice little hand. The handle's smaller than I thought it would be. They look bigger in the pictures for some reason. I don't know, it's sort of usually compared to soaps and stuff like that. But really, I like it because I got smaller hands. I was thinking it was going to be a big, robust handle. But this is actually really nice. That's what people have said, really ergonomic handles on these. And I got to agree, this is really nice. Awesome. I cannot wait to use this. Big shout out to Phil over at Bullgoose. Check out their site. They've got some incredible stuff. The Asylum Shaveworks stuff all looks amazing. Their razors, like the Evolution RXT and the different ones, look incredible, very cool. Some of them look a bit like the Darwin razor. Very cool stuff. They have rock now and other stuff like that. Everyone else doesn't have. So very cool high-end stuff. And this brush, oh, I cannot wait to break this thing and use it. This is going to be a fantastic brush. I cannot wait. I'll probably bowl lather with it for my shave today, just because it helps break in the tips a little bit better. But yeah, this looks like, yeah, you can see it's densely packed. This is going to be a fantastic brush. I cannot wait to show you guys what this looks like when it's all broken in. Great little handle on it. I love when people put the coins on the bottom and stuff like that. Just see, like, it's just awesome. This is, you can tell it's just super high quality, impeccable craftsmanship, just perfect. Everything's just awesome. Thank you. So I cannot, this is amazing. I am stoked. So we get the brush, the vetiver bourbon soap, the European barbershop, and the charcoal shaving cream. These are going to be awesome. Let me know down below if you've tried any of this stuff. If you liked it, if you hated it, whatever. Let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is going to be, I can't wait for my shave today. I'm going to use some stuff from this. I used some stuff. I had 2 other mail calls yesterday. I didn't tape from First Canadian and Yaki, but some of that stuff will be in the shave of the day today. So keep an eye on my Instagram. I'll put a link down below to that. I'll put a link down to Bullgoose. Follow them on Instagram, and I think they're on Facebook as well. And Instagram, Facebook, go to their website, check them out. Awesome stuff, awesome guy, top quality. He's Phil, we were emailing back and forth because the product got stuck at the border. So very great communication, which is what you want from an artisan or a vendor. So I was really impressed by that because it's not their fault when we get stuck at the border. But great communication. Thank you so much. This is awesome. I'm so excited to use this. Have a killer day, rest of your day. I'm feeling good. Hope you're all feeling good. Stay clean shaven, stay smooth. Peace.